Hello friends, welcome to Post Market Report. Welcome to Marketography channel. Today let us analyze what has happened in the markets and what is going to happen for this whole week. First thing we should discuss about globally what is happening, that is in between China and the US. There is some tensions between the trade deal. That first US accused of China that they are violating a trade deal what they have postponed for 90 days. Now today China is again with a reply. They are saying that US also violated the tariff. That's how both the side the trade war is heating up. Because of that, markets are in jittery mode. So I'll just show you the US markets and Asian markets. So first US markets, they are trading just neutral to negative. So like Nasdaq trading slightly positive, S&P 500 slightly just neutral. Okay, these two indexes we see in a US, and S&P 500 VIX slightly up around 2%. Now if you look at the European markets, FTSE, CAC, DAX, they are also trading neutral. Means there is no cues waiting for the global, the US and China trade war to cool up or settle down. Then we can see the Chinese markets. Okay, the China A50, Hang Seng, these are all Shanghai. These are all trading with a 0.5% to 1% negative. So that means globally there is a neutral to a negative, or there is a jittery mode. That's how the global markets are placed at. Now if we come to Indian markets, so the FII and DI data for 2nd June. So FIS yesterday also they were net sellers. Today also they are sellers. For 2,589 crores, FIS are net sellers, but DIS are supported the market. You can see in the second half market has recovered from the lows. That's why, because they have purchased for 5,313 crores. So put together, institutional investors are net buyers today. Now if you come to the you can say charts, so the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. So same, the resistance levels are same. Yesterday we have done one support level, that is around 24,680. So in the morning first candle itself that is broken, and it is made a low around 24,526, means close to 24,500, where 24,500 450 was a support, little bit strong support. From there we can consider that there is a immediate bounce back. So that's how it is tried to close above 24,700, but closing it is showing slightly lesser, but we can consider that it is closed around 24,700 levels. We can consider likewise. Because of the average closing, there will be difference of 30-40 points in the last half an hour. But there is a recovery, because DIS have been bought around 5,300 crore. Although first hour maybe FIS have been sold. So that's how markets came to again back to this square between 700 to maybe 900. So tomorrow if opening below this level 24,650, below 24,700, then there is all possibility it may test today's low, that is 24,526, even 24,500 also, looking at the international markets. But however our Indian trade deal also pending with the US. So this week it is expected that the committee, they have announced that already they will be coming in India and they will be having a discussion. So that's why the markets are waiting to go whether downside or upside. So if any positive trade deal happens with a less tariff, maybe 10%, 20% likewise for imports, then market may take it as a positive and tensions will be over. Then markets start trending. So that when it will happen, we can't say anything. We have to wait and watch. Second, the RBI policy also due this month. Also globally also US markets are waiting for so many data. Morning in pre-market report I had discussed. So that's why maybe for next 1 or 2 days markets may be in a jittery mode, means they may be in a range bound with the violent moves or volatility. Because today VIX has increased in India around 6-7%. So the premiums are not falling for both the Nifty and Bank Nifty, except like for OTM, the nearby strikes both the side, the premiums are spiking up. So it is, I think, better time to take the straddles instead of the strangles. So option buyers, we must go with a hedging strategies only, like one buy, another one is sell. So now let us understand bank nifty also, then we'll go to open interest. So bank nifty, it is today tried to take out the 56,000, but however it could not able to close above the 56,000. So bank nifty futures have been closed at 56,100 plus. So but spot has been not yet closed at 56. So tomorrow this zone working as a resistance only. If this zone tomorrow if opening is there is a all possibility that there may be a reversal towards 55 500, or from there if any gap up is a possibility it may rally towards 55 500 at least. So the banking stocks are waiting for the interest rate cut that we have already discussed. Now open interest, if you look at Nifty open interest for 5th June, next 3 days, so the options have been written, means they have been sold across the strike prices. From spot, downside 10 strike prices and upside 10 strike prices have been sold around 40 to 50 lakh in every strike, every 100 strike I am talking about. But the straddles have been taken at 24,700 and 24,800, 24,600 also straddles taken. Major resistance at 25,000 and 25,500, and downside 24,500 and 24,000. These are the 4 strike prices where it is having more than 60-70 lakh of open interest. But if you look at monthly June, so what is happening here? So monthly 25,000 straddle have been taken, so their premium is higher, so people are expecting it may move maybe 500 point below or 500 point upside. So they are thinking this way and they are taking a straddles, and 24,000 having a big support around. More puts have been added here, 50 lakh puts have been added. So similarly upside 25,500, maybe 26 also we can see. 26 is not much, I think it is not visible also here. So these are the monthly, means it is placed at just 25,000, concentrated at every 500 point range. Now, so I have taken one position in the bank nifty with a bullish biasness. This I am carrying from last 2 days, means Friday I have taken. So today also carried, and there is no much change in that. Slightly it came to positive, but if slightly slowly moving up after consolidation, maybe 2-3 days, I will be in a good profit. If suddenly there is a move of 1,000 point, 2,000 point, then maybe slightly in negative. But however, if it is moving up, so I may sell some more options below 53,000, 53,500, 54 up to 54 I can sell. So this is a payoff graph. As of now it is in a positive. If slowly moving daily, just 200 point up, 300 point down, like that, so the strategy may give a profit, but break evens are good. Upside around 6%, up to 6%, so there is a break even. So it is actually starting at 55,763, means the bank nifty is already at 55,900, so already it is entered into break even positive zone. So with the Nifty, I do have a multiple positions, so I cannot explain now as of now. So some profit have been booked today. So at CE side, when market has been down, I have booked some positions today at CE which I have carried. So now at PE, some more new CE has been rolled down. After booking this, I have same quantity, I have taken a new positions at CE side. So certain positions added at a CE side also. So many hedgings are there in this. I can explain, but it will take some time what strategy is what. But whenever I close, I will explain what is this all about. So this also with a positive bias I have taken. So downside around 24,380, 24,400 round figure is my stop loss. 24,400 maybe if tomorrow only coming. So let me see how much loss may come tomorrow if coming 24. Oh, if 24,500 coming, I will be in a loss of 10,000 tomorrow Nifty. If going up to 25,000, there is no loss, not much loss for upside. If slowly moving, so on 5th I will have a little bit profit on 5th if it is slowly moving towards 25,000. If coming down, it should be above 25,600. 25,600 and below, I will start facing certain losses in the Nifty. As of now it is showing negative, but I will manage it. I will come out in a profit. So thank you very much for watching this video.